We wanted to talk about the difference between one equal sign and two equal signs. So two equal signs in Java means a comparison. So if you want to compare if the player guess is equal to the secret expression at character I, you need to use two equal signs. So that's for comparison. And one equal sign is for assignment. Here we're assigning an empty string to the variable temporary or temp. So that's the majority of our code for the Hangman game. What else we need to do? We need just to, for example, when the chances are now equal to 0, we need to show that the player lost the game, or when they have guessed all the characters correctly, we need to say that they have won the game. But that should be very easy, and we're gonna do it in our next videos. So I'm gonna just do formatting here just to clean our code. And also, I don't think that we need to have this correct message here anymore. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just have comment this code, but I'm gonna keep this incorrect message here just to giving some more information to the user. As you see here, so anytime if it's correct, it's gonna update the player expression with the actual letter that the player guessed.